Hello guys, how are you today? Fine. I will explain for you now. It's page 87, exercise 8. Let's do exercise 8, page 87. Please copy the answers on your MacBook. Exercise 8, cross out the intruder in each of the following lists. It's the same as the previous question that we did it. We did exercise 3, page 85. It was about intruder. We said that we will circle first the smallest fraction, then we will check which fraction is non-equivalent to the smallest one, it's the intruder. So here it's the same. In order to cross out the intruder in each of the following lists, first I will circle the smallest fraction, then I will check which fraction is non-equivalent to the smallest one, it's the intruder. So intruder هو non-equivalent fraction. To which fraction? To the smallest fraction. Non-equivalent fraction. Let's circle first the smallest fraction. 9 over 15, 15 over 25, 3 over 5, 12 over 20, and 6 out of 15. The smallest one is 3 over 5. So I circle the 3 over 5. Now I will check which fraction from these. We have 4 fractions. Which fraction? 9 over 15, or 15 over 25, or 12 over 20, or 6 over 15. Which one is non-equivalent to 3 over 5? Let's start from the first one, 9 over 15. 3 times which number equals 9? 3. 5 times which number equals 15? Also by 3. So we multiplied up and down by 3, so they are equivalent. It's not the intruder. Let's check 15 over 25. 3 times which number equals 15? It's 5. 5 times which number 25? Also 5. We multiplied up and down by 5, so they are equivalent. We still have 2. 3 times which number equals 12? 4. 5 times which number equals 20? Also by 4. They are equivalent. We multiplied up and down by 4. We still have just 1. 3 times which number equals 6? 2. And 5 times which number equals 15? 3. We multiplied up by 2, down by 3. So they are different. We multiplied by different numbers. So it's the intruder. So the intruder here is 6 out of 15. So I crossed out 6 over 15 because it's non-equivalent to 3 over 5. So I crossed 16 over 15. So on the first one, 16 over 15 is the intruder. Part B, the same. I will circle first the smallest fraction. Which fraction is the smallest one here? 4 over 7. I will check which fraction is non-equivalent to 4 over 7. 4 times which number equals 8? 2. 7 times which number equals 14? Also by 2. We multiplied up and down by 2, so they are equivalent. Let's check 20 over 35. 4 times which number equals 25? 7 times which number 35? Also by 5. So they are equivalent. 12 over 28. 4 times which number equals 12? 3. And 7 times which number equals 28? 4. We multiplied up by 3 and down by 4. So non-equivalent. I will cross it. It's the intruder. We still have 1. 4 times which number equals 24? 6. And 7 times which number equals 42? Also by 6. So they are equivalent. I will check them all. Why? Because sometimes maybe we have more than one intruder. So I will say for you intruder or intruders. So we will have more than one. So the intruder here is 12 over 28 because it's non-equivalent to 4 over 7. So we will cross 12 over 28. Okay? So in the first one, 6 over 15. The second one, 12 over 28 are the intruders. Copy the answer on your math book. Now we will do problem 9. The same page, page 87. Samir and Tariq read a book of 120 pages. Sami read 2 over 5 of the book, while Tariq read 6 over 15 of it. Have they read the same number of pages? Right. Sami read how much? 2 over 5. Tariq, how much? 6 out of 15. Did they read the same number of pages? When I say the same number, what do I mean by the same? I mean, are they equal or non-equal? So let's check if these two fractions over 5 and 6 out of 15. Let's check if they are equal. 2 times which number equals 6? 2 times 3. 5 times which number equals 15? Also by 3. We multiplied up and down by 3, so yes, they are equal. So yes, same number of pages. They read same number of pages. How many pages did each of them read? Sami read 2 over 5, Tariq read 6 over 15. طيب, I gave you here the fraction, but we want to know now the number of pages, exactly how much. How do we change this fraction to a number? In order to change this fraction to a number, look here, just read the sentence in the correct way. They said, Sami read 2 over 5 of the book. Of the book. You took it in grade 4. How do we solve a fraction of a number? So, Sami read 2 over 5 of the book. The book composed of how many pages? 120. So, Sami read 2 over 5 of 120. Tariq read 6 over 15 of it. It refers to what? To the number of pages, اللي هو 120. So, in order to know the number of pages for Sami first, we will solve 2 over 5 of 120. Tariq, we will solve 6 over 15 of 120. Okay, 120 هو the total number of pages. So we will solve two equations. In order to know the number, I will solve a fraction of a number. 2 over 5 of 120 and 6 over 15 of 120. Okay. I will explain for you how do we solve a fraction of a number. First of all, of means times. Okay, so we are multiplying 2 over 5 by 120 and we are multiplying 6 over 15 by 120. First of all, I will copy the numerator, it's 2. I will write times. I will open two brackets. 120, when I say over 5 means divided by 5. So I will divide 120 by 5. So two steps. First of all, we will write the numerator times. I will open two brackets, the number divided by the denominator, because when I say over 5 means divided by 5. So 2 times 120 divided by 5. The second one, 6 times, open two brackets, 120 also divided by 5. This is the way how do we solve fraction of a number. Over 15, sorry, in the second one. 120 divided by 15. Right. How do we divide 120 by 5? Let's arrange them here. Which number very close to 12 in table 5? It's 10. Which number in table 5 give us 24? So the answer is 24. Down, 120 divided by 15. Which number in table 15 give us 120? Table 15, 0. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 90, 105, 120. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 times 8 give us 120. So the answer here is 24. And down is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. Start. The next step now, we skip the numbers that are written between brackets. We just multiply 24 by 2 and here 8 by 6. So 24 times 2 and down 8 times 6. Number of pages should be the same. Why? Because we said in part A, yes, they read same number of pages. 24 times 2, how much? It's 48. And 8 times 6, also 48. So, yes, they read same number of pages. Each one of them read 48 pages. Okay? Like this, we solve a fraction of a number.